Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to tween the head on Gacha. So we'll first open up Gacha, right? Get the carol we want to do. Now we'll press one on the random beans, the random tab for the Catalan carol. Now we're gonna press the hashtag in the corner, and then we're gonna go to body sheet 1, and now we're gonna take a picture of the black hair. Okay, and then we're gonna put the chunky in the corner, and then we will see the bangs. Now we're gonna take a picture of that. Now we're gonna go out and then see your carol. Now we need to take a picture of it, because for this part we need to get rid of your carol bangs. So take a picture for it and then get rid of the bangs. Now we go back to the area and then we take the picture of the head without the bangs. And now we're gonna put on the bangs again. Okay? After we do that, we open up CapCut. Create a new project. Add a little background. Get rid of the bean at the end. Okay, you're set. Okay, now we're gonna have to take a picture of your. Now we're gonna get the black hair, the head, and the bangs. Okay, now that we got that, we're gonna overlay over here. Okay, now we go down here and then press remove BG. And then go chroma key the rest for me. Now we remove the background for this, like that. And then we can also respect the radio. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay. Now we're gonna overlay the head. Now, okay, hold on. Get a different time for me. So if the head is under the back hair, delete the head part and then put it back again, and then we overlay it. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing again. I remove the background, and then we overlay the bangs. Remove the background, and we crop this too. Okay, now that we got your thing, we might want to make it a little bit what it called? Smaller. So it can fit the frame. Okay, now we got that. Yeah, we gotta make sure we have this thing on. Now we're gonna press the back heel. Now the same spot we're gonna press the same spot we just pressed. Now when we press that, we made a waypoint, I think. And then whatever time we wanna do it, we put it there, and that timer is right there, and I think that they get me on mistake. Okay, now we're gonna once we do that, we go to the head, we go to the thing, the brains, and do that. But first we're gonna make an oval ring. Now this.
Outside lights. Outside lights.